welcome back. I know it has been a while. Don't get on me. It has been very hard to try to get back to you guys because there's been just so many things happening in my life, but I'm glad that I'm back. I think I was able to get one video out, and that was just a lip swatch video of all of the crayon case lip collection, but I wasn't talking in that video, and I love talking with you guys. So I'm so happy to be back. Thank you for joining me again, and if this is your first time, go ahead and hit that subscribe button below. We are almost at 100 subscribers. I am so excited, and I really thank you guys for just rocking out with me. You guys know that when I hit 10 subscribers, when I joined YouTube, actually I joined YouTube in 2014, but I didn't upload my first video until about almost 4 months ago. So when I hit 10 subscribers, I did a giveaway. When I hit 100, I'm gonna do another giveaway, so stay tuned, you guys. So excited about that. So today we are back with yet another Rocksbox unboxing. Why do I have another Rocksbox, guys? You guys know I said in the first video that I was probably going to cancel my subscription. So what had happened was my first subscription, I actually put it on hold because I wasn't quite sure if I wanted to keep the service. I was going to cancel it, and they said, okay, your account's on hold, send us back your jewelry and we will put your account on hold until you're ready to start things back up. I said fine. Well, in the process of doing that, I guess I took too long in getting the jewelry back to them because I'm just so busy all the time that I just didn't get it in on time. So they charged me again, and I said, what the heck, you know, I'm just gonna get the next box and see how it goes. So here it is. And I just want to unbox to see what they sent me this time. And at this point, I'm not quite sure that I'm going to keep the service, but I did just want to go ahead and see what we have this time. Again, if you don't know how Rocksbox works, it is a jewelry subscription service that I think it costs $21 a month. And you just go online and select some of your favorite jewelry pieces that you see from their catalog. And they ask you some other questions about your style, and then they send you 3 pieces every month. And the $21 that you pay for your subscription service goes towards any of the pieces that you want to buy. You can keep the jewelry for as long as you like. They just continue to charge $21, or you can send it back and get the next box with new jewelry from your selection of pieces that you like. And the jewelry comes in these little bags. They include 3 of them, 2 of these, and then 1 black bag. So this month I received this beautiful leaf necklace. Very pretty. So the second piece is this gorgeous bracelet. It's very similar to the necklace, however it is gold, and this is rose gold. You guys know that I love rose gold, so I will rock this without question. This I can't really see myself rocking too much. I'm not too crazy about gold. It does have this danglies here on the other side of the bracelet, so that's pretty cool. I wish they had this in rose gold. I don't know if they did. I don't remember if they did or not, but this is really pretty. I just prefer it in rose gold. But it is a piece that I would throw on with, say, some gold studs and rock it with like a gold ring or a gold necklace. It's really pretty. And the last piece that I received are these beautiful earrings. Look at that. And I love that these earrings look like they're stones just kind of sitting in there. So pretty. I would definitely rock these. Now this is definitely my style. Even though they're gold, they're such beautiful statement pieces. I'm actually gonna go ahead and try these on. So here they are. These are the beautiful earrings. I love these earrings. They are so gorgeous. They have like these gray or very crystally stones. They're so pretty. They're set in gold. They match my gold studs. I really love this. It actually also matches my highlight. Check that out. Fenty Beauty. I know I'm very unconventional sticking them into my second hole instead of the first like most would do, but that's just me. I like to do things a little different sometimes. Here is the bracelet. It is so pretty. I love that. I love how it dangles there. So I definitely would rock these pieces for a little while. I'm actually really feeling these. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Of course, the chain, y'all know this is me all day. I don't even have to put it on because guess what? You probably will see this on me in a video very soon. I love this piece, so gorgeous. If you notice that I still have this ring from the first Rocksbox that I received, what had happened was when I was getting ready to send this ring back, I dropped it. Like it fell from, I made this DIY hanger thing. If you haven't seen it, I'll link it above. But I hung this ring on there along with other jewelry pieces, and it fell when I was trying to take it off, hit my vanity from like a tall height, and bam, one of the stones popped out. I'm freaking out. I'm like, oh my gosh, now I'm gonna have to, buy this ring. Well, I go online and purchase the ring with my $21 that was credited to my account from being charged the monthly fee, and with the ring being about $50, I got the ring at about $30, only to find out that the policy says that if you damage a piece, you can send it back for your charge. But I don't regret it because I really love this ring. The funny thing is they said, yeah, send it back, we'll send you a brand new ring. And that's what they did. But because I bought it, it's mine. So that is it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Also, the monthly giveaway is still open, so don't forget. I'm going to link it below just in case you haven't entered. You still have a chance to win. I will be announcing the winner at the beginning of February. But we can't leave before we do our weekly shout out. And this week, I'm shouting out Carmen Casillas. Carmen says, good tutorial. I learned something new on putting eyeshadow on. I'm always using the wrong brushes. LOL. Awesome look, with a purple heart. And she commented this on my berries on chocolate eye look that I did using the Crayon Case Watch Me Blush palette. If you haven't seen that video, I'll link it above. We are at 99 subscribers. I'm so excited about that. Share and subscribe, and I will see you guys very soon in the next video. Bye.